Hey guys, Kyle here with CryptoNowKnown, YouTube's newest channel for beginners in cryptocurrency. We are going to be doing our best to do weekly educational and fundamental video uploads, as well as we're going to do our best to cover 1 to 2 coins per month. I want to emphasize that this is a channel for beginners. We don't want to overwhelm anybody by covering 10, 15 coins per month. There's too much going on. It's hard to follow. You don't know which one you want to do or which one you should go into. So we're going to keep it as simple as we can, and we're going to keep it real close to basics. We want to just help people get into it. We want to explain what cryptocurrency is, and overall, we want to see you guys invest in yourself and gain your guys' portfolios higher and higher and higher. Make sure you guys have a rainy day fund. So our whole channel is just for beginners. We want to help you guys get into it. We want to help explain and understand and slowly but surely grow that portfolio from zero to hundreds of grands. My name is Kyle again. I'll be the main host for this channel. If you guys have any questions at all, feel free to leave any message in the comments and or shoot us a message in the inbox. If your guys' first time here, we'd really appreciate it. Subscribe and smash that notification bell so you guys will get first picks as soon as we upload our videos. And we hope to see you guys back. Thanks you guys so much. Kyle with CryptoNowKnown.